Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove items from your Amazon search history. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Clearing your search history may also be necessary if it contains sensitive items and you're sharing your account to extend Amazon Prime membership, perks to Venmo member, or others. So Amazon provides simple ways to view and manage this data. You can remove individual items, clear everything at once, or even disable the search history feature entirely for ad privacy. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or simply prefer to keep your searches private, this video will show you how to clear browsing history or remove items from your Amazon browsing history. It's so simple. So first of all, first to help to open our Amazon. Now you can find your Amazon browsing history on the three lines over here. You can tap on the three lines over here. Now you can go to your account. On the account settings section, you can scroll down until you find there is an option, your recently viewed items. You can just tap on that. Now you can see here's all your browsing history on your Amazon account. If you want to remove one of them, you can see in here. There is an option like remove from items. You can just tap on that. So the item has been removed from your browsing search history list. It's very simple, right? And if you tap on the gear or the here, if you want to remove all at once, you can choose remove items. So all the items will be removed. And also you can pause your history for like only for 2 days, for 3 days, or you can choose for 2 weeks if you don't want Amazon record your browsing history, what you've searched on your Amazon account in here. And you can, if you tap on more right settings in here, you can just turn off or disable your browsing history. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove items from Amazon browsing history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!